This is God's nature's creation. I had a bird hatched, and look at these baby birds. There are 3 of them. Thank you, God, for saving these beautiful nature's creation. We have a sign in our inside door there, please do not open. There are 3 birds there, baby birds, and mom and dad all morning I have been seeing them going around and feeding them worms and whatever. And this is the 2nd year. They have made a nest in the fall and stayed all winter, and in spring they have babies. And this year I'm lucky enough to have this in a video. Look at this. I wish I could just feed them something, but I do not want to do any interference for nature to disturb this beautiful. Hopefully they'll, it looks like they are already growing up quite a bit now. Last time I seen they didn't have any feather. Now they have feather. This is just amazing. Thank you for watching my video.